Hi, so we are back again. I've got my caravan back from Western Cape Movers, and I have installed the movers for me. There you can see the one mover over there. We've been doing some maintenance today. I'm just going to move around to the other side and show you guys maybe a better view. There you can see the mover. Try and zoom in a little bit. There we are. It's engaged at the moment because I moved it from in front of the garage. So yeah, we're getting it ready for a camp this week, going through to Jamaica. Something else that I'm busy with now, I'll just show you guys. Just move around to the bucky. I've got a slide attached to the roof where you slide a table and a solar panel in. But with the off-roading we've been doing, it's taking a bit of a pounding and it broke a bracket. So let me just, I'm twisting it here to get it into the cab. There you can see I've just attached the bracket, drill, pop rivet and everything. And yeah, so that's in. So now I can slide my solar panel and my aluminium table in. I'll show you quickly. There's the table, the 120 watt solar panel. Next thing I'm going to do, I found that the shock to open that door, the bracket had broken, so I've just drilled it out and I'm going to attach a new one, and I'll show you once it's done.